The difference of this is telling. dp, I'll write it. P max minus P minimum should be 2 BAK. And the bulk modulus is find the amplitude of vibration of the particles of the medium. A sound wave of length, this one. Okay, I think from, I know the difference, so 0.2. So 2 BAK. K is what? 2 pi by lambda. Solving for this, so 0.2 lambda by 4 pi b. Only K you are going to write 2 pi by lambda. I think they are in centimeter. I think I have to be careful. Lambda. Just simple, can be asked as objective. Any exam. I'll go for next one. Can you remember this we have discussed in class? Okay, let's have a discussion. No problem. This is practically what happens is when a transverse wave propagates on a rope, there'll be decrease in energy. Why do that? Because the rope, what happened, is a resistive medium. Though it permits the wave to propagate, in fact, what happened due to the material